Hey everybody, I wanted to just introduce you to this week. I'm going to let Mr. Dingle's video stay up because I think he sets a context for the week of work, but I also wanted to just kind of give you an overview of what you'll do with the chemistry this week. There will be the first module is on molecular formulas and empirical formulas, which is a very fundamental concept in chemistry. Those of you who've taken an introductory course, that might be all of you, will know a little bit about molecular and empirical formulas. So there'll be an introduction to that, and that's a pretty important part of organic chemistry because it builds on the carbon atom, and there are a lot of patterns as to how molecules assemble themselves using the chemistry of the carbon atom. Then the second piece is on the covalent bond, which is critical in organic chemistry. Carbon and many of the other atoms that it bonds with in organic molecules, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, these all form covalent bonds, and so there will be an introduction to that. A little bit of visualizing what molecules look like through Lewis diagrams. And then there's a piece on functional groups. So in organic chemistry, functional groups are an important part of the understanding of organic molecules. For example, the alcohols all have a functional group with a hydroxyl group, OH. Then there are the aldehydes with a double bonded oxygen. The carboxylic acids with a carbon, oxygen, and OH group. So you'll see these functional groups are an important part of establishing different categories of organic molecules. And then a little bit on nomenclature. And you'll see that's important because there are just a plethora of organic molecules, and there's a whole process for naming them and categorizing them and putting them into groups. And then finally there's a little activity at the end to kind of bring all this together. Okay? So talk to you soon. Thanks. Give Harrys.com a try.